Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IRS EIN Assistant, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in IRS EIN Assistant and hit enter. Locate the official IRS website link for the EIN Assistant. Click on the link to access the EIN Assistant homepage. Once on the homepage, look for the Apply Online option. Click on Apply Online to be redirected to the application form. You may find information regarding the EIN application process. Read through the provided guidelines carefully. When ready, locate the button that says Begin Application. Click on Begin Application to proceed to the login page. If you have an existing account, enter your username and password. For new users, look for the option to create a new account. Fill in the required information to set up your account. After entering your details, follow the prompts to confirm your account. Once logged in, you will see the EIN application form. Fill out all necessary fields on the form accurately. Be sure to double-check the information entered. When completed, click on the Submit button to send your application. A confirmation page will appear once your application is submitted. Review the confirmation and save any relevant details for your records. You have successfully logged into the IRS EIN Assistant and completed your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.